Hey, how's it going, everyone? Here we are with the Project Civic. Got all the leaks patched up, timing reset, and it is all it's running now. Every time you turn the key over, it fires up every time. So here we are, guys, a year and a half in the making. Got it all done in 2 winters. Man, this thing was just a trip. I won't lie, this thing probably bit off a little bit more than I could chew. I won't lie. Definitely took me. Definitely was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. That's all I can say. But here we are. I mean, just kept with it, kept plugging away. Had a lot of failures, a lot of triumphs, and it's finally right here, guys. It's done. Everything's all set. It's running just fine. I won't bore you with all the mods that I have done to the engine. You know, typical Honda, just you go on forever with all the mods that you have, but I will leave a link in the description below of all the mods I have done to this car. But I did just want to point a couple things out here. The one thing that I really am excited about is this intake manifold here. You know, I see a lot of guys with these builds running the Skunk 2 intake manifold, and I just think it's kind of cool that running something a little different. You know, I see them a little bit, but I don't see them as much as the Skunk 2, the Edelbrock Performer X manifold. I got it on eBay for about 250 bucks used, so I'm really excited about that. And then the other thing is, I actually have a Honda S2000 throttle body mated to the intake manifold, so just an interesting combo. You know, you don't really see that too often, just kind of something different. But other than that, it is your typical D16 Vitara piston Speedfactory no-notch rod combo. The head is a D16Z6, and the block is from a JDM D16Z6. I won't get into much of the mods, like I said, but I did have the head was machined 3-angle valve job, you know, etc., etc. So, but yeah, other than that, you guys, here she is. It's a little beast we're going to be rolling with for a little bit here, so I'm going to try and hopefully get her out here pretty soon riding. I will come back at a later time with the first drive video, but this is it. This is the completed project, so here we are. Just give me 1 sec here. I have to jump the battery, and then I'll do a little startup here, let you guys see how she sounds. Alright, check back in. Alright, here you go, you guys. About to start her up here. Like I said, she is starting every single time. I do have a little problem with the car holding an idle right now. It won't stay running unless I keep hitting the throttle pedal. So, but yeah, here we go. Let's start her up here and check her out. Woo! Here we go, you guys. You guys, she's ready, but like I said, as soon as I let off the throttle, she dies. So, but other than that, you guys, she's starting up every single time. So there you go.